Can you tell us how did you plan your daily schedule for UPSC preparation?
Okay, it depends upon my first attempt or in the second attempt. My first attempt, it was very hectic for me because I have to cover a lot of things. So the number of hours that I used to give every day had to be too much because uh, getting through polity, getting through economics 2-3 times, it requires a lot of time. So in my first attempt, I scheduled all my day around this. What do you say? Around my UPSC preparation only. So I would wake up and I will try to just quickly go through some of the topics that I'm not aware. Then I would before my lunch. Then I'll come back to the lunch, go back again to the library in my college days only. Go back to the library and keep on studying extensively for 2-3 hours again before I get up, go out for some activities. Then I studied again 2-3 hours, then 2-3 hours. So my major like in my fourth year majorly it revolved around that thing only. Like how can I make most amount of time in the second year, in the second attempt right now. I did not had to go through that much extensively because I already had versed through the subjects good enough. So this attempt, it was more how effectively I'm using my time. The number of hours decreased significantly because I was a little more comfortable with the subjects. So number of hours reduced. So right now I could spend more time on my hobbies. I could talk to more people, and then also I have enough amount of time every day to do it. So I would say in the initial phase of the examination, try to give as much as you can. Try to study 8-9 hours, 10 hours if you can do that. If you can extend till 12 hours, just go through that and at least have a sitting of 12 hours. Have that practice of sitting at a place and studying, because this is an examination where you need to study and do a lot of things. Okay, I'm not saying studying means literally studying. You can just walk and study also, but you have to be dedicated and focused enough that your brain is constantly thinking about it so many hours of the day. That that actually helps you a lot, because slowly you will realize that studying is not a task. And once studying does not become a task to you and does not become something that you are like suffering to do, you start enjoying it. And once you start enjoying it, you start to cover the syllabus. Once you start to cover the syllabus, you start to get a hold of this examination, and you really can crack this examination.
Another question, how many hours do we need to study?
Okay, this depends upon the stage of preparation that you are in. In the initial phases, I would say 6-7 hours is good. Then when the exams are coming and when you are really taking it seriously, like 2-3 months before prelims, 2-3 months before the mains, you can totally give an 8-9 every day. Because see, when you're studying 10 hours every day, does not mean you're studying effectively 10 hours every day. So you are studying like 5 hours, 6 hours effectively. Sometimes you are just listening to some music, watching some movies, or not having an effective effective hour of study. So if you are studying for 10 hours, that is a good amount of span, I think, in the initial phase, in the phase where you are preparing for the examination. But if the examinations are not that close, you can have a relaxation of time, 6-7 hours you can study. But yes, as the exam approaches, the heartbeats also approaches to higher level, and start to give the higher number of hours. So at that time you should forget like how many hours you are doing. Do as much as you can, because like 1 or 2 week before the prelims, 1 or 2 week before the mains, do as much as you can. Do not count on how many numbers that of hours you have to do. Yes, initially you can have a count. Yes, today I studied 6 hours. Like having a 6 hour daily study or 7 hour daily study is good, and maintain consistency. It is way better to study six hours every day than studying 12 hours one day and not studying or 0 hours in the other day. So have a consistency. If even if it is 6 hours, go for 6 hours. Even if it is 4 hours, go for 4 hours. And when one more added advantage is there, if you are studying for 4 or 5 hours only, that is you will be focused enough. You will be very focused because you don't have that much amount of time. So your brain will be a lot focused. You will be studying with a lot more diligence over there. So yeah, it depends upon the amount of the stage of preparation you are, I would say. And one personal advice: do not think about how many hours you have to do. However you feel, whichever, like the way you want to, the more you want to immerse in this examination, you'll stop feeling I'm studying this many hours. I'm studying this many hours. You'll enjoy this preparation slowly.
True that.